Dear students, in this video lecture, we will discuss few multiple choice questions on chapter Tally Software System, that is Tally ERP 9 in subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 8 for class 3rd year BCom semester 6. Question number 1. Tally ERP 9 is one of the most widely used dash software. Option A, income tax. Option B, GST. Option C, financial. Option D, accounting. Dear students, the most accurate and suitable answer is option D, accounting software. Next, number 2. The first step towards working with Tally ERP 9 is to create a dash. Option A, report. Option B, ledgers. Option C, folders. Option D, company. And here the correct answer is option D. Next, question 3. In Tally ERP 9, the accounting transactions are entered from option A, accounting voucher. Option B, payroll voucher. Option C, inventory vouchers. Option D, order voucher. And the correct answer is option A, accounting vouchers. Question number 4. Which of the following function keys is used to change the date in Tally ERP 9? Option A, function key F1. Option B, F2. Option C, F3. Option D, F4. And the answer is function key F2. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The shortcut key to quit from Tally is option A, Control P. Option B, Control Q. Option C, Control C. And option D, Control L. And the correct answer is Control Q, option B. Next question. Which of the following function keys is used to create contra entry voucher? Option A, F1. Option B, F2. Option C, F3. Option D, F4. And for contra entry voucher, function key used in Tally ERP 9 is F4. So option D is correct answer. Number 6. Which of the following function keys is used to create payment voucher? Option A, function key 1, that is F1. Option B, F3. Option C, F5. Option D, F4. Here, to create a payment voucher in Tally, we use function key F5. So the correct answer is option C. Number 7. Which of the following function keys is used to create receipt voucher? And our options are A, F1, B, F2, C, F5, and D, F6. To create a receipt voucher in Tally ERP 9, function key used is F6. So the correct answer is option D. Next, which of the following function keys is used to create sales voucher? Option A, F1. Option B, F2. Option C, F8. Option D, F9. To create a sales voucher in Tally ERP 9, we use function key F8. So our correct answer is option C, F8. Question next. Which of the following function keys is used to create purchase voucher? Option A, F1. Option B, F2. Option C, F8. Option D, F9. To create a purchase voucher in Tally ERP 9, we use function key F9. So the correct option is option D, F9. Next question. The shortcut key used to activate calculator in Tally ERP9. Option A, Control M. Option B, Control N. Option C, Control C. And option D, Control A. To activate calculator in Tally ERP9, we use shortcut key Control N. So the correct answer is option B. We can repeat narration by pressing option A, Control R. Option B, Alter R. Option C, Shift R. Option D, Control plus Shift plus R. To repeat the narration in voucher, we use function Control R, that is option A, shortcut keys Control plus R. 13. BOM represents option A, bill of maintenance. Option B, bill of materials. Option C, billing of machines. And option D, none of A, B and C. Here BOM represents bill of materials. So our correct answer is option B. Next, F12 function key is known as option A, company configuration. Option B, tax configuration. Option C, accounting features. And option D, company features. Function key 12 is used for company configuration. So our correct answer is option A. Next question. Party account can be created through option A, group creation window. Option B, item creation window. Option C, ledger creation window. And option D, any one of A, B and C. So create a party account ledger in Tally. We use ledger creation window. So our correct answer is option C. Next question. TDS deduction entry can be made through option A, payment voucher. Option B, journal voucher. Option C, receipt voucher. And option D, all of A, B and C. Here we are going to pass entry for TDS deduction. So it can be passed through journal voucher. So option B is correct answer. Number 17. Find out which is not a default ledger in Tally. Option A, profit and loss. Option B, cash in hand. Option C, capital account. Option D, all of A, B and C. And the default ledger account not in Tally is option C, capital account. Next, to print a voucher from Tally, we need to press option A, Control plus P. Option B, Control plus Alter plus P. Control C. Option C, Shift plus P. And option D, Alter plus P. To print a voucher from Tally ERP9, we press Alter plus P. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Which option is used in Tally to close an open company? Option A, Alter. Option B, close company. Option C, shut company. And option D, select company. And the correct answer is option C, shut company is used to close an open company in Tally ERP9. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this lecture. Very soon we will meet with other chapters, multiple choice question.